To Robin's house. Today I'm playing with the Gingerbread Man Cards with Robin, and it is adorable. So I just wanted to quickly show you the cards that I was using the stamp set, and it has dies as well, and the dies create this card shaped, which we'll get to. Anyway, so this is card number one, and it has an openable card on the front and then an openable card on the inside, and I've decorated the inside as well. And then card number two has a little bite taken out of it. And card number three, I'm using some gumdrops. And then on this side, I've got some gumdrops in there as well to decorate the inside. So cute. Card number four is holding a candy cane. Card number five, this one opens up and it's just got some message inside. Card number six is a fun fold. I love fun folds. So this one is at a diagonal, and you fold it up. It snags on what's on the inside, and you can have two images on there. And then the final card, just a little fun one, is this is just a little card base to make a teeny tiny little card. So I've only got a limited supply of these kits, and I just think they're super cute. You make all 7 cards with the Cards with Robin workshop. And so reserve yours now. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.